This is the 13.1 guided practice. I'm going to be doing the odds. Today is super short and super easy, but again, always feel free to email me or Mr. Cladis if you ever need help. All right, so first one here, what is saying when we're talking about parallel, okay, what we learned was that if there's a mid-segment, so they say in the line AB here, the midpoint is X. So any segments that connect to that, meaning like XZ or XY, would then make ZY parallel. So what that means is this line is parallel to this line. Okay, just another quick example would be, say we had Z. Z is here clearly the midpoint of AC. So what's connected to the midpoint? Connected to the midpoint is this line and this line, which is then connected to this segment right here. So let me see this. XY, that segment right there, would be parallel to AC. So putting this into practice, we have AB right here. And we know that X is the midpoint. What's connected to X are these two segments, and then that makes this line right here, which is ZY, parallel. Next one, CB. So we have this side right here, CB. What's connected to the midpoint, which is Y, is this line and this line. So that's also connected to XZ. So that line right there, XZ. All right, and then if we have XZ right here, so this one's kind of tricking you guys, right? So this starts off with the smaller midpoint line, and if XZ right here is parallel, then what's connected to it? It'll connect to the midpoint, so it will be BC or CB. So I got ZY for the first one, X for the second one, CB. All right, find the value of X. So now here, this is a little bit different. This says that, so this is the midpoint right here, right, of the triangle. Or I'm sorry, the mid-segment. And the mid-segment is 2 times what the base is. So in order to get the base, you have to multiply whatever this is by 2. So that's already a 2x. Or I'm sorry, that's already an x. So I ought to just do 2x is equal to 34. And then when I divide that by 2, I get x is equal to 17. Trying another one, we have this line right here, right? So in order to set up our equation, this line needs to be multiplied by 2 to equal this base. So another way of saying it is that this base right here is twice as big, or this mid-segment is half as big. So I would do 2 times the 3x is equal to 54. And again, the 3x comes from right here. I'm multiplying it by 2 to double it. 54 is right there. So then I would have 6x is equal to 54. And when I divide that, I get x is equal to 9. Then the last one, here's my mid-segment, here's my base. So obviously the mid-segment is only half as big as the base. So I'm going to have to take the mid-segment and multiply it by, times it by 2. So I'll have 2 times 2x is equal to 10x minus 21. Again, the 2x comes from the middle here, and we're doubling it. 10x plus 2 is the base. So then if I go ahead with it, I'll have 4x is equal to 10x minus 21. I'll minus the 10x, so I'll get negative 6x is equal to negative 21. and then x after dividing by 6 will be 3.5. That's your final answer. So for 9, I got 9, and for 11, I got 3.5. And that's all we have. So again, email me if you have any questions. Let me know if you need to stop by early in the morning or anything. Hope you guys have a good night.